In this video, I will show you how to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go, I'm currently playing and just rolling around the board. Now, if you want to go ahead and send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook, whether you're looking to invite one of your friends to the game or something like that, then what you're going to want to do once you've got the Monopoly Go app opened is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends icon. From here, what you want to do is make sure you're on the add friends screen. So if you look at the top, we've got add friends, timeline and leaderboard. You want to make sure you're on add friends, and then you want to come down and press the green invite button. So what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. As you can see, there is a Facebook invite button here. So what we can do is give that a press. And what that's going to do is automatically open up our messenger. So what we can now do, you can see the link's been generated for us, and we can type a message with this if we want to. Once you've done that, just simply search for your friends that you want to send your Monopoly Go link to on Facebook, and then press the send button next to their name. After doing this, you would have successfully sent your Monopoly Go link on Facebook, and that is how to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.